Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video I have shown you how this app.py can be converted into Docker image and how to run this. In this video I'm going to show you how to push this image into Docker app. First of all, let us check Docker images. Here you can see there is Colorado sales app latest. Now you have to give Docker login. Here it will authenticate defaultly directly as I have Docker Hub application. Just a minute. Docker desktop is present in my system. As I have logged in previously Docker desktop into my system, this logins automatically into my Docker Hub account. If not, it will ask you the username and password. You can give it. Once you perform that, tag the image by using this Docker Hub. For that I have given Docker tag Colorado sales app. This is my image name. As you can see, Colorado sales app. Now once you get authenticated, as in my system I have previously installed Docker Hub and I have logged in, so it has automatically authenticated my existing credential with my channel's name, that is Infini Veda. If you want to log in without Docker desktop which is previously installed in your system, you must enter username and password for that. So right now it doesn't ask me to enter login ID and password, so I have directly authenticated the existing details. Now you need to tag this image. For that, enter Docker tag with the image name, that is Colorado sales app, for my Infini Veda account in the name of Colorado sales app, and I'm giving a tag as latest. So this performs Docker to tag Colorado sales app to my account Infini Veda Colorado sales app to my latest tag. If I made any changes, I can update it with latest 1, latest 2, or else whatever the name you have. Just click enter. Once you click, it has the tagging portion has been completed. Now you have to push this Docker image to Docker. For this, Docker push Infini Veda / Colorado sales app. So just press enter. Once you press enter, you can see the pushing is doing. So if you want, you can check with Docker desktop. Just open your Docker desktop, or else you can also open your browser with Docker Hub. Give sign in. Or else you can check over here. Still it is uploading. Let us wait. Now you can see the latest digest, that is, it has uploaded successfully to my Docker Hub repo. Now you can see with refreshing this Docker Hub repo, you will find Colorado sales app. If you want to use this image again, you can just share this image to your account, or else you can download. However, the data you can perform this. Here you can see this is a public image, so you can add general description or category, whatever the things you want, and you can perform certain operations on this. So this is it, guys. This is how you push a Docker image to your own repository. This is how you will work with this Docker Hub. If you even see with the app, you will find this the same procedure. So this is it, how to first thing, how to convert app.py into an image, and also how to upload it into Docker Hub. By using this, you can use this project in multi different ways. So this is it, how you gonna use this complete project. In my next upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to push this application into your GitHub repository. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.